Evergreen. Candid. New trends in Icse computer skills for Class 2. Chapter 2. Role of a computer. Key concepts. Role of computers in enhancing the learning and teaching process. Impact of computers.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students. Okay, students, let me introduce myself. I'm Miss Veena. I'm your computer teacher.
So, ma'am, you're going to teach us about computer?
Yes, students. Children, you have learned that computers are playing an important role in every field. Without computers, everything will be standstill. Today, whole of the learning process, online shopping, banking, and other works are done by computers. Let us study the role of computers in learning, teaching, homes, and offices. Tool. The computer plays an important role in teaching and learning process.
Ma'am, what are the other places where computer are?
Chapter 3. Input. Chapter 4. Keyboard, special keys. Key concepts.